Okay guys, so I want to do a quick kind of update on this factory looking tailgate camera trim that I got a while back. I absolutely love this thing. I've had no issues with it whatsoever. Even though it's dirty, we're gonna go in the truck and I'm gonna show you something. Some people were wondering if I could see my hitch. You can see I got a 6-inch lifted truck and I've got a 6-inch drop on that trailer hitch. So people were wondering, can I see that? We're gonna go in the truck here and I'm gonna show you. So we're in the truck here, Bammo, and you can see down there, yep, I can see my trailer hitch. So I know some people were wondering about that, and I can see it. It's awesome. I hit my trailer the first time, every time, and I love it, guys. So I just want to do kind of a quick video on that update. Like I said, some people were wondering, and I didn't even know myself when I installed it. But if you have a regular hitch that ain't dropped, you probably can see it better. Like I said, this is a 6-inch lifted truck. I got a 6-inch drop, 6 or 5-inch drop hitch there, and I can see it just fine to get hooked up to the trailers. So I guess that's it, guys. Just do a quick video, and wanted to let people know about that camera if they're thinking about it. I love it. I'll see you guys.